Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the XPS recycling line. This is the trial run video after installation at our customer's factory in Saudi Arabia. First, the XPS boards are shredded by the shredder, and then the material is conveyed to the pelletizing line to be processed into recycled pellets. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.